clean your face with natural oils, which to use and how to use them. To get skin that looks radiant and perfect, you need to take care of your skin. One of the best beauty secrets that are often forgotten is using natural oils to take care of your skin. These help you in several ways. They hydrate your skin, they clean it deeply, they act as a natural makeup remover, and they are good for all kinds of skins. Natural oils offer all of the benefits you could want in a product for your facial skin. The best thing is that they're a very affordable option, and they're easy to use. We know that there is a fear that oils will increase how oily your skin is. However, you should know that this fear doesn't have any real base. Contrary to what you might think, natural oils aren't just for dry skins. They can also be used on combination and oily skin. Which natural oils should you use? It's very important to remember to use vegetable and essential oils. These are the best ones for taking care of your skin. Also, you need to make sure that they are as natural as possible. There are commercial versions that have been overly processed. This reduces their properties considerably. On the other hand, be careful to avoid mineral oils. This is because they aren't good for adult skin. Among natural oils, there is a large variety that you can enjoy. But, the best ones for facial care are coconut olive castor, you can also enjoy the benefits of tea tree oil, almonds, or even mix them. How do you use them? Based on the characteristics of each skin types, natural oils should be used one way or another. For dry skin, you can use them on a daily basis as a cleaner or makeup remover for hydration. For normal and mixed skin, you shouldn't choose oils more than 3 times per week. Oily skin, you should only use this as part of your weekly cleaning or hydrating routine. You can also use natural oils as a treatment for getting rid of very heavy makeup. Or, you can use it as a moisturizer for your skin after sun exposure. To do this, you only need to apply a few drops of your favorite oil to a cotton cloth. Then, gently clean the area. The properties of natural oils. All natural oils moisturize and make your skin look better. But, not all give you the same benefits. These are the benefits that you'll get from each one. Choose one that best meets your needs. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has antibiotic properties that both prevent and fight skin infections. It helps to preserve your collagen and elastin. As a result, it prevents wrinkles. This is a good oil for sensitive skins. After all, its properties help to prevent irritated and inflamed skin. Olive oil. This helps your damaged skin tissue repair itself quickly. So, it's recommended for getting rid of scabs, marks, and scars. At the same time, you get hydration and vitamins. This is a tool for fighting premature skin aging. This is because it helps you increase your skin's natural elasticity and smooth, firm appearance. Castor oil. This is perfect for increasing your blood flow. This helps increase your skin's elasticity. Also, it gets rid of bags under your eyes. It stimulates eyebrow and eyelash growth. A simple recipe for cleaning your skin. Below, we're going to tell you how to remove makeup and clean your face during your evening routine. This uses natural oils that keep your skin in great condition. Ingredients: 4 drops of almond oil, 2 drops of castor oil. Tools: cotton pads. How to use it: take a cotton pad and put the 2 almond drops on it. Lightly rub the cotton pad over your whole face using smooth, circular movements. Start with your forehead and go down to your cheekbones, cheeks, the outline of your lips, and any other areas going down to your neck. Repeat the process again if necessary. Do this until you don't see any traces of makeup remaining. Then, clean around your eyes. Take another cotton pad and put 2 drops of castor oil and 2 drops of almond oil on it. Rub this pad on your eyelids until you don't see any more traces of makeup. Be careful that you don't get it on your eyes. Finally, use your favorite moisturizing cream. Now you know the benefits of natural oils. You also know how it can meet your skin's needs and how to use them according to your kind of skin. The only thing that is left is adding these oils to your regular beauty routine. You'll see that in a few weeks, you'll start to see results. Remember that it's better to get the most natural oils possible. Try them in specialized whole food stores. Avoid the supermarket unless they have organic brands.